Barou Demon King. This is the panel where he goes, serve me Ubers. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. He's in profile, looking back at us. For faces in profile, I like to start with the nose, and you do a sort of a capital letter L. So we're just over here at the head. His back kind of comes down this way. This would probably work on a portrait page as well, like a vertical one. So it's up to you what way you want to do it. So, like a capital L, just here, or it's like an upside down 7. Go out, and then in, right? So it's like L, see? A little bit curvy. So his nostril is just at the bottom of this L, going up. And then we go back up to the top and turn it into a sort of a Z shape, right? So it goes for his brow. Right, so you get this sort of Z. And that's his nose, right? So this is his brow area. So his eye is just across from this. Now he has very, very dark, manga style eyelashes. So we'll just curve it across the top at first. And it kind of flicks out the back for a bit of a spike that he has. It's very thick on top, but we'll just get the general shape in first, right? So the bottom eyelid goes that way. And it can be a bit like broken, there can be extra sort of lines. So we want to thicken these lines up, so extra sort of dark and thick, especially in the corner. And then on top. Okay, so heavy line for his eyelashes. Now Blue Lock do a thing where they add an extra one down here. Just like coming down from the corner. It's like an extra little spike in the side there. So he's looking down and back, right? So we got to put the iris, the color part of his eye, just here in the corner, sort of coming up from the bottom eyelid. And it gives the effect that he's sort of looking down, right? And his pupil there. His eyebrow is like high up, and it goes down. So let's say we'll do his forehead first, so like here, right? And the eyebrow, I think, sort of starts in the middle of the forehead, pretty close to it. I'm gonna guess, say if his forehead goes that way, so like here, right? It's like a little V there, right? And this goes sort of down past his eye. It's like a little bit bumpy, but it goes like down here. And then you thicken up the top part. It's all black here. And then it sort of spikes up a little bit here and down. And there's a bit of an eyelid line there. Yeah, I think that's it. So mouth, so coming from this nose line, we do the mouth, right? And it always reminds me of kind of a stretched out letter M. So his top lip, say, spikes this way. A little sort of bump there. It's not actually attached to his nose in the drawing. Bottom lip comes out then like that. Right, so it's like a letter M, sort of pulled. And then this center point is where his mouth actually is, like his teeth. So you have a downturned sort of top lip line. Looks like his mouth is closed. And then to open it up, we go there and then back to give him sort of teeth And he's got a real long chin coming down that way. Right, so chin comes down and joins his neck. So his neck sort of goes down that way. Bit of an Adam's apple there. And then he's got a real strong jaw that goes up this way. And your ear, right? The space for your ear kind of lines up with your eyebrow and the bottom of your nose. Right, so that's kind of the proportion. So like your earlobe would be like in this, on the diagonal, right? This in here. And you got that bumpy sort of ear, like so. And then some ear lines inside. And they do all shading and stuff in there if you want to do that. So he has that cross shaved into the side of his head, that characteristic cross. And just at the top of the ear, you get the start of it, right? So you get the kind of a V shape. Just there. And then there's a spike that comes out that way. It's like a, yeah, it reminds me of a cross. And then that way. And then this comes in onto his head. And then the other side is just like a triangle kind of just in here. And then this goes this way. Joins his hairline then, that just like comes across his forehead here. Do, do, do. So the rest of his hair is very sort of spiky stuff, right? So all firing up this way. And there's like, it does get quite big then, right? And then how far up does it go? Up to here, very high. And then this goes down. And we keep going down the back of his head, and we meet this demon thing that's down here then. So I'll stop it there. So I think in the manga he has like a red streak on his forehead. I don't think it's in the anime. So it's kind of like just down the front of the big, like here, and maybe a little bit on this. It's like red in there. I don't think they give it to him in the anime, which is weird. Right, so they have like a blurry sort of mouth thing on the back of his neck. Well, we got like a neck muscle there. And it's like it's talking. So, let's see. Right, so we'll just do this kind of blobby sort of ooze. Right, so it's all these spikes coming around here, and it's like a mouth, and but it's just it's this sort of spiky blob first. Right, so it's like that sort of shape. It's like a tentacle creature, right? And then we'll attach it to like the back of his hair, which is like sort of here. Right, so that's all Barou's hair. It's like a neck muscle in there. And then his collar is this way. Right there. So we'll just try and do like a weird sort of mouth, right? We got like bumpy teeth. I think down as far as there, right? And then each of these would be a tooth. Okay, and then like that, right? So like 2 lines of teeth, maybe some textures on this little guy. And maybe a tongue, but it's all like shadowy, you know, so it's hard to make it out. So I'm kind of just drawing it as I would draw it if I was doing the manga, like in a different way. It looks like he's printed it or something. It's unusual. It's like blurry. They obviously do some effects that I'm not aware of. Right, and then it's just black, I think. So the rest is like his hand and his back. So, like a front shoulder. Let me see. Right, so front shoulder and chest. We'll just get the main shape in, right? So, chest. I think this is like chest and shoulder, sort of, maybe just shoulder. Going that way. And his hand is like all here. And then his back is like this way. And this goes down for an elbow sort of here. But we'll do his back first. Going down that way. And this is an elbow that kind of disappears behind his hand there, right? So he's kind of leaning forward. So there's a real extreme perspective hand, like he's doing this, serve me. He's like, come. And the really big fingers. So the thumb is here. Maybe I'll start with thumb. So we'll just curve this over. Now this is like the size of his thumb, right? So it's like ridiculously big. Bigger than you think. Right, you've got some skin lines for the thumb. I can't see the edge of the thumb, so we're going to go Art.Simple style and make it up. Not bad. I've seen worse. Okay. And then there's like skin here, and then like his index finger, and again it's huge, right? So it's higher up than the thumb, so it's here. And then this like goes down. It's like a knuckle here, and probably there. Bring this down here. Skin again. There's just like, I assume there's hand lines in there, but he just does it really rough. So I will come back to the lines in between. Just get some fingernails. And then 1, 2, 3 more fingers. There. So in the middle finger, ring finger, so it's kind of sweeping around. So we go this way. So I assume there's some knuckles down there. Two more. Right, and then his pinky. Okay, so koi. Then, so his shoulder is defined by the lines on his sleeve. So I think his bicep is here. So if I was, so he's got a white line on the jersey this way. That kind of becomes his bicep. Goes that way, and then that means, I imagine this is his tricep. And it's like the Uber, the shape of the lines on the Uber jersey are the things that like let us know that that's his, like his arm, I guess. This goes this way. Right, so there's a white line on the Uber jersey here. And this is all black. And then there's a white one that comes down his back here. He has like sort of black sort of energy coming off him as well, like symbiote, you know, venom, sort of symbiote ooze kind of thing, loads of it. You could draw it any way you want. So that's his back. So his back tapers down that way. And that's his elbow, I think. It's just white in there. And I guess we'll do the Barou. So he's got like white, a white box. Then, right, I'll do Barou. So we'll just fit it in as best we can there. And then there's some more black lines there. I can't really see. It's probably his number, actually. 10. Okay. Dude, and there's all like lightning and black stuff. All these effects. So that's like a personal preference, how much of that you want to do. There he is, Barou. Demon King. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.